Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's having a fabulous day today. If you are into vacuums just as much as I am, then you're going to be obsessed with my channel, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you want me to bug you every single Sunday about vacuums, then go ahead and hit that little bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. It's at joshie.michael. First off, I want to let you guys know I have no idea why the last video was not clear and fuzzy. I don't know what was going on. I watched that back and I was horrified, but I didn't want to redo it. I didn't want to repackage the vacuum and do a fake unboxing and all that crap. So I was like, you know what? Screw it. We'll see the vacuum. We will see the vacuum again. It's not that big of a deal. I just wanted you to have the authentic unboxing. Okay. So going along, can I not speak today? What is freaking wrong with me? I cannot speak. Oh my gosh. Okay. To go along with my Hoover Hush Tone commercial, I picked up this guy. So let's open it up and see what I think about it. I do like the Hush Tone, by the way. I really do like it. It is actually quite quiet compared to some of the other machines. And it's really not that heavy. Okay, so this is the Hoover Commercial PortaPower. Which way do I open it? I guess the side maybe? It is made in the United States, or assembled in the United States, I suppose. So let's get this guy cut open. Here, can you guys see this? Okay. So it's got a really long cord, I believe, and it's orange. Okay, let's just hold this out probably. I think this in here tight, real tight. We like it tight, but okay, wow. Oh, I forgot it came with this floor. Okay, here is the manual. PortaPower. The PortaPower Portable Canister. Okay, so I have basically the same machine, which is the Hoover Platinum Collection bagged canister thing. I have that because it actually came with my Hoover Platinum bagged upright vacuum, which I got that 9 years ago, I think. I've had it, it's over here. I've had it a long time. Okay, this I love because it is metal stuff. We'll start shoving that crap in here. Here's the unit. Let's get all the other goodies out. Okay, actually, keep it organized, okay? Let's get it together. Alright, here is the main unit, which is exactly the same size as the Platinum, which is funny. Okay, this just, it looks commercial, and it feels commercial. Kind of just like the Hush Tone. So I believe the Hoover version I have with this though, I think it's made in China, and this is assembled in the United States, which it says assembled in the United States. So this has got an interesting opening here. Okay, I don't really like that. And here is the bag. Is this, okay, this is different. I think, so this is okay, wait a minute, I don't know if I like this. I don't think I like this. Because mine has got the bags that you throw away. This is okay, I gotta think about this. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Okay, this might be going back actually. I don't even think I'm gonna do the rest of this. I didn't realize it wasn't a disposable bag. I don't really like this. This doesn't feel as nice. I should have brought mine up here to show you. I don't know. I think I'm going to stop there because I don't think I want it. The only thing that's good about it is the metal stuff. And this floor thing looks kind of nice. It's got the hose on it. No, It's got some pretty good tools. I'm not even going to take it apart. I'm just gonna send this back. Just because of that, I did not realize that it was a reusable bag. I kind of want to hear what it sounds like though, at least. Okay. I'm going to take that off. Well, at least we can see what it sounds like. Sounds like my machine already, too. Okay, well, there we go. That's it. This was just so much fun. Okay. You know what? I'm just going to at least upload this so you guys know. I do like, if you don't mind I just don't like that. I like bags. This is like a canister, basically. I don't like that. I liked bagged machines. So, that's well, that's unfortunate. It wasn't very expensive either, but I actually like how my platinum looks. It looks nicer than this, but whatever. All right, I'll take a thumbnail at least. I'm gonna get this out of the way so I can actually get a picture. Let's take a screenshot, you know what I mean? How should I do it? This is so dumb. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know what's going on. Trying to hold up the wand too. Like this. This is really a mess. I'm like a wreck right now. Okay, we're done. Thank you guys for watching. So, yeah, the next video will be better. I'm pretty sure about that. So, you guys have a great night. And until next time, you guys keep it tight. Talk to you later. Bye.